Every project begins with an idea, a flicker of inspiration, a moment when something inside you connects with the world outside. In the project board, it's the life story of that idea. It's where your concept comes to life, where your design finds its voice. It's not just a collection of drawings and diagrams. It's your story told through visuals, words, and the rhythm of your imagination. This course is for architecture students and anyone interested in creating project boards for competitions, presentations, or exhibitions. Whether it's your first attempt or you're looking to refine your skills, this course will teach you how to transform your ideas into inspiring stories. Together, we'll learn how composition and layout can guide the eye, how harmony and balance create a sense of calm, and how bold decisions can make your work stand out. You learn to use visuals to engage and create narrative that follow naturally from one image to the next. We'll talk about how every detail, every stroke, every note can echo the heart of your idea. You'll learn to use colors and texts and understand the visual language of your board, how to design your logo that will become your project signature, and develop a style that ties everything together. But the board is not only half the story. You, the presenter, will complete it. What's your role in this dialogue between board and the audience? How do you complement the visuals with your words? How do you present with confidence and engage your audience? This course will show you how to bring it all together and present your work with confidence and passion. So if you're ready, let's get started.